Hi, and welcome to the first topic of object-oriented programming in Java. Now to get started with object-oriented programming, we need to first get familiar with what is a class and what is the object in Java. So for that, let us consider a dog. Now when you imagine a dog, what are the properties that you can think of? For me, I can think of the property such as the breed of the dog, the size of the dog, and also the color of the dog. So these are the three basic properties that defines a dog. And also the dog has various activities as well, such as a dog can bark and also dog can run. Now, all these properties and behavior, if you can group it together, then we can simply form a class of dog. So within the class of dog, we have various properties as well as various behavior of the dog. Now, this class dog is basically a template. That is, all the properties and behavior are common to all the dogs that you see in your day-to-day life. Now suppose I have a pet dog. Now my pet dog must have some breed, size or color. Let us define the breed as beagle, size as 40 and the color as brownish white. So these are the three properties of my dog. And apart from the three property, the dog can also bark and run, don't forget. Now let us take another example of a Dalmatian dog that has the size of 20 and color as white black. Right? Now here on the left hand side, I have a template of the dog defined. And by using this template, we have actually defined the properties of these two dogs present on the right hand side. So these two entities on the right hand side are actually known as objects in Java. Now let us take another example of a car. What comes in your mind when you see a car? The car must be having some name, the color, and also a unique engine number. And the car must have some behavior, such as the car can drive, and also we can apply brake to the car. Now let us group all these properties and the behavior together and form a class of car. Now, this class car is basically a template, which is common to all the car that we see in our day-to-day life. So we can use this template to define the properties and behavior of the various car that we see in our day-to-day life. So here these two cars are actually known as the objects. So this clarifies your doubt that what is the class and what is the object in Java.